Hi guys, and good morning. I wanted to give you a quick update on the latest modifications I have done on my Evo. So I have installed Ohlins new Ohlins dumpers. Those are the Road Track. Unfortunately I don't have a video about them, about the installation, but I have taken some pictures and I will post them. I will add them on a video. I'm going to show you a couple of things. I'm going to show you how to adjust them, how to adjust the camber plates on the front, and how to adjust the rebound. And also I have just received in the mail an HKS dropping filter, so I'm going to show you how to install this. So stay tuned, watch the video, and I hope you like it. So welcome back. You're looking at the top mounts of the Ohlins suspension. So from here you can this is basically the camber plate. You can adjust the cambers from the camber of the front wheels from here. At the moment the setup that we have is 1.5 camber on the front and 1.3 on the rear. On the front toe is 0, and on the rear it's 0.03. Just some information on the setup of the car. Also here, this is the other top mount. The damping, you can adjust it with a screw from the bottom of the car, so you need to actually turn the wheel and then go under to change the setting. At the moment the setting that we have is 12 clicks from hard, so it ranges from 0, that is totally closed, and then and when it's closed it's firm, and then when you open it up it gets softer. So the setting that we have now is 12 clicks from closed, being 0 hard and 30 soft setting. And on the rear of the car we have it at 15 clicks from hard, but I think I'm going to change this to a couple of more clicks, because I feel that the rear is a bit harder than it should be on some potholes and everything. So let's go back to the installation of the drop-in filter. So the filter is here. All you need to do is you need to remove this screw over here, and then you just unclick this and you have your drop-in filter. So let me put the camera on a stand and come back. You will need an extension, and this is basically 10 millimeter. So you will need to reach down and remove it. So let's start by opening the box. So this is the air filter, Super Hybrid filter, it has basically 3 layers. So let's go ahead and open it. So here it is. This is what the filter looks like. So let's leave this for now on the side. old one. Make sure that all the sides all around are correct, secure. It's okay. The old one back. Keep it on the side, you never know. Here's a bit dirty. Take the screw again. Everything is in place. Closed. All around, it's okay. And you have your air filter installed. So now that we have everything installed, we have the air filter installed. Let's go back because I want to show you now the adjustment of the Ohlins. So here we are at the back of the car. We have put the adjusters of the Ohlins suspension on the rear. This is what you get when you get an Ohlins suspension. You get the damping adjuster. It's in the back of the car. So let me show you. So we decided to put the adjuster in here. So here it is. This is what you use to adjust. If you close it, it becomes more firm, and if you open it, it becomes softer. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it two clicks softer. This is done. Putting it back in. Closing it. And I'm going to do also the same thing for the other side. So now we are on the other side. Remove this. And your adjuster is here. So you do 2 clicks. And we're done. And you're done. You have adjusted the Ohlins on the back, so it's much easier to install it on the back. Now there are some installers who would much rather put the adjuster somewhere more visible in the back of the car, but you know, I much rather hide them in there, so they're not visible to anyone. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I managed to show you how to do the installation of a drop-in filter in your car. I showed you a couple of new things on my Evo. There's more to come. I am planning to do a video for you guys to see and explain how the ride is with the new Ohlins, and also how if there's any difference, if I see any difference with the drop-in HKS filter. I'm also planning to mode my car, so stay tuned. There's more things coming from my Evo X. Thank you for watching. Bye.